Stick by stick, the male great bowerbird constructs this love nest, or bower, in an attempt to attract a mate. An intricate and perfectly proportioned structure, consisting of a central tunnel-like avenue and a floor scattered with objects. It takes nothing less to attract the most demanding females. High in her tree, this female surveys the different construction sites, because several males are competing for her attention. This young male is constructing his first bower. Aged 3, it will take long years of training before he is as talented as his elder. A stone's throw away, another rival is already adding the finishing touches. To lure the opposite sex, it takes more than an elaborate structure. It's a question of decoration, too. The only way our young architect can progress is to spy on the most experienced builders. This older neighbor is gathering an array of brightly colored objects, a harmonious collection of ornaments. But these birds cannot see colors. So the male relies on contrasts and arrangements. He uses visual illusions to make the bower more attractive to the opposite sex. The builders of the natural world constantly adapt. In the past few years, berries and flowers have been replaced by glass and plastic, which sadly exist in abundance. Our young architect still has a long way to go. He has only just laid the foundations of his bower. But he must rise to the challenge. His progeny and the future of the great bowerbird depend on it.
that.